everybody, it's Cinnamon Cooney, your art Sherpa, and I have been working so hard in the studio designing and painting and getting ready for the coolest event. I'm going to be doing an in-person demo at Michael's in Louisville in the Dallas area this upcoming Saturday, starting at 12 a.m. This is a really cool grand opening of their Makerspace. Their Makerspace is a new project that they're doing to give you guys an amazing location, a place for you to come together and be creative. And I'm so about that. I really wanted to come in and be supportive. So I'm going to be there in Louisville. And then the next weekend on September 14th, I'm going to be in Southlake. So if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you have been wanting to find a place that you can come together with your friends, with your family, with your community to make something. Maybe you want to get together and crochet. Maybe you want to get together and paint like what we do on my YouTube channel. Maybe you want to get that Cricut out and have a really fun cut in. Whatever it is that you want to do creatively, these spaces are going to be an amazing resource for you. So if you're ready for some maker magic and you'd like to come see me paint, walk around the store, do a little bit of fun creativity, I hope I'll get to see you this weekend. If you want to know anything more about these amazing events, go ahead and check the description. I have links to both the Facebook pages. You should absolutely follow them and the events so you can see all of the amazing opportunities that are going to be available for you in your area. Really be good to yourself, be good to each other, and I want to see you at a Michael's really soon where we can make something.